नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 14 अक्टूबर को पार्क प्राइम में संपन्न किया गया। आगे देखते हैं हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा, और वीडियो के अंत में ऐसी खबरों को पाने के लिए चैनल वन को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Group Kolkata and India's first group of Alliance Business Connect. Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we start, just a few special announcements. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. The first number present his presentation. We request the next presenter to be ready for his presentation. And as President, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us to maximize our business. Mr. Rajiv Sethi, our Vice President.
Good evening, members.
Good evening.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. Secretary Urvi Raja. Joint Treasurer Kimi Sarda.
Good evening.
Chapter Growth Coordinator Rakesh Jaiswal, Gyanvi Daga and Adish Makaria. Digital Media Coordinator Desali Bagchi.
Good evening. Good evening.
Education Coordinator Rishi Agarwal.
Business evening.
KYM and Corporate Meet Coordinator Rakesh Jaiswal. Committee Raj. Introduction Committee Brijmohan Mudra and Kimi Sarda.
Good evening. Good evening.
Printing and Roster Coordinator Urvi Raja.
Hello everyone again. Hello.
Attendance Coordinator Kimi Sarda.
Good evening.
Presentation Coordinator Ms. Minu Tulsian. Referral Value and Dispute Resolution Coordinator myself Rajiv Sikri. One-to-one Coordinator Adish Makaria. We have made all the categories except falling open from April 2024, but the members who will be enrolled in the category already in one will be in chapter 2 only. Categories blocked are Vastu consultants, interior designers, caterers, artificial jewelers, event planners, life insurance, stock market, loan syndication, mobile dealers and real estate. Over to President.
Good evening everyone, secretary of our chapter. I'm now going to give a brief detail of the rules each member has to follow in ABC 24-25. Members should give reasons for being absent, and one can't have more than 3 absence in 3 rolling months and no continuous 2 absent. In case of more than 3 absent in a rolling month, his or her category will be made open. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send their substitutes. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for the growth of the chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formals only. Head board should be informed about the absence 1 day before unless there is an extreme medical emergency. A member and their guests should be punctual for the meeting and try to reach by 6:30 p.m. to enable proper networking. And should talk about that only. Any member will be inducted after sending a membership form along with an annual registration fee and bi-monthly fee. Before induction, he or she should be vetted properly with the membership committee. We would like to inform that we have changed the fee structure. It starts from July 24. It will be 3,200 rupees bi-monthly. A member will be required to pay the same in the first meeting itself. A member will not be given food coupons if he or she has not paid or fees is pending on the second meeting, and will not be allowed to give 45 seconds members presentation as well.
Is to manage finance of the chapter. We would request member to punch the activity sheet for the last quarter up to 30th September 2024 in the format which will be sent in the group. There will be cash award of rupees 3,000 to the best performer and rupees 2,000 for the second best performer as per the following point structure. 1 1-to-1 5 points, 1 referral 5 points, visitors 10 points, 1 business closed 10 points, 1 corporate meetings 50 points, 1 new member induction 50 points, 1 1-to-1 conclave 100 points, 1 KYM 100 points. The prizes will be given in the second meeting of October 2024.
Is concerned, I have requested everyone to fill up the activity sheet Google form by 30th of September, but to my surprise, only 4 members filled up the form. And I once again request members to fill up the form at least by this weekend so that we can give award to the proper person, to the person who deserved it.
Rithufalam is the only showroom in Calcutta. I repeat, it's the only showroom in Calcutta which supplies dry fruits, provides dry fruits, premium dry fruits at wholesale prices.
I am part from Rahul Export, manufacturer and exporter of various kind of scarves, fabrics and garments and exporting the same to European countries from last 2 decades.
Good evening, MEC.
Good evening.
That's better. My name Vikram Agarwal, representing my company Spry Insurance Broker Private Limited. And we are very happy to announce that we got the principal approval from IRDA. Since I have announced, I think 5 months back, that we are going to launch Spry Insurance Broker. So, day before yesterday, we got the approval from IRDA. And very soon we are going to get the license as well. So, mostly before Diwali. Because this is my dream project to build up a broking. Why it was a dream project? Because we are working hard on making more and more entrepreneurs by helping them.
Good evening, ABC members.
Good evening.
I hope सबका दुर्गा पूजा बहुत अच्छा गया हो. And मेरा नाम उत्तम टोबी है, कंपनी का नाम BB Enterprise, and I am working in Pan India.
Nancy Vasa from the Essence. We at Essence provide inspired version of luxurious fragrances. Our products are long lasting and they smell 95 to 98% identical as compared with the original ones.
Archana Patodia from Ayushi Collection. In Ayushi Collection, you will get all types of jewelries that are just next to real. We have stunning charao necklaces and elegant kundan earrings, AD and in Purki also. We do Swagat Mala and welcome brooches also. Reference given for Rishi Bhaiya and Devendra Bhaiya. Business receipt from Rakesh Bhaiya, 2200.
संकेत मनु फ्रॉम रिगार्डोस. अभी जैसे दिवाली आ रही है तो अपना दिवाली पे जितने भी तरह के फेस्टिव हैम्पर्स हो गया, डेकोरेशन उस हिसाब ट्रीज हो सब हैम्पर्स अपना ट्री, उसके बाद गिफ्टिंग में कुछ भी डेकोरेशन करवाना हो या स्टेशनरीज हो, हर बैचेस हो कुछ भी कस्टमाइज आइटम अपने को कराना हो, सब कुछ अपने करते हैं.
Rakesh Jaiswal, owner of famous homestay Gangagata Nabod. My photoed activity 3-1-1, one with Naresh Agarwalji, Vikram Agarwalji, Ankit Manoj. Business to Ankit Manojji 5,500 and counting. To Archana Patodia ji rupees 2,200. To Nancy ji bill is pending. One reference received from Sumit Sawant. My ask is senior citizen जिनको आसपास से घूमने जाना हो शाम जगह पे और गिव है हमसे 1-to-1 कीजिए, आपका बिजनेस में हम हेल्प करेंगे.
I have introduced my Diwali catalog in the group from my bakery Happy Sins for special items for Diwali. We have introduced for the first time handcrafted chocolates which are available throughout the year on prior orders as chocolates also are made to order.
जब हम लोग कोई भी घर या ऑफिस कुछ भी लेते हैं, we always take the services of an interior designer, right? Comes to the technological part, we are a one-stop solution for all your technological needs. Surveillance like CCTV, biometric, access control, billing solutions, audio visuals. We have done a lot of boardrooms for top-notch corporates in Calcutta.
And to my company name is Milan Transport Private Limited. It's a logistic company, more than 50-year-old logistic company. And we used to provide all sort of commercial vehicles like lorry, truck, trailer, container as per requirement of clients.
First of all, happy Dussehra to all of you. आप सभी को अभी तक पता तो चल चुका होगा कि आई एम अ रजिस्टर्ड ब्रोकर, बट टुडे आई विल टेल यू अबाउट माय एक्सपर्टीज. सो अगर किसी को कोई भी डेवलपर की अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रॉपर्टी में बुकिंग करवानी हो तो आप मुझे उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर इसके अलावा किसी को रेडी टू मूव इन प्रॉपर्टी खरीदनी हो, बेचनी हो या रेंट पे आप खोज रहे हो, आई कैन गेट यू द बेस्ट स्पेशल डील इन एनी टाइप ऑफ एंड एनी साइज ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. Maybe flats, bungalows, office, showroom.
My name is Pankaj and I represent Atharv Healthcare. Our company is into industrial healthcare. Now many of us here wanted to know, what exactly you do in industrial healthcare. So today is a good time to explain me in little detail. Industrial healthcare, any industry, any factory, manufacturing unit has to have a medical center inside the premises. We manage their services end to end, whether it is staffing, whether it is ambulance providing, whether it is medicines, statutory compliance, their workers' annual health checkup, everything is done by our company.
Mother Pooja category general insurance and do all policies of general insurance sector. And enroll one-stop solution for all general insurance need consultancy services.
आदर्श उपहार क्या है जो लंबे समय तक हो, जिससे प्रेम को जताया जा सके, जो ना कभी खोया जा सके और ना जिसका मूल्य कभी कम हो, जो देने वाले और पाने वाले दोनों को प्रशंसा दे। उसी प्रकार जीवन बीमा भी एक आदर्श उपहार है। आईफोन, आईपैड से ज़्यादा जरूरी है आई केयर। आप जो भी मूल्यवान उपहार अपने परिवार को देते हैं उनके लिए उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है जीवन बीमा। आज ही आप बहुमूल्य उपहार अपने परिवार को दीजिए। मेरा संपर्क कराएं अपने सभी मित्रों और परिवारजनों से जो जीवन बीमा उपहार लेने के इच्छुक हो। वादे से लेकर दावे तक सदैव आपके साथ आपका दोस्त एलाइसन आदित्य कसेगा।
Myself Saket Gupta, owner of NVT Mobile India.
Please give a round of.
We are the dealer of all brand of mobile phones and we have a service center of all type of mobile phones.
चाहे तुम जाओ जहाँ याद करोगे वहाँ एक ट्रैवल कंसल्टेंट ABC में है जो रखता है बजट का ख्याल। Good evening ABC. We have special fare for major destinations like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and many more destinations including domestic and international. We also have some fixed departure to Thailand, Baku, Almaty and China Canton Fair. For details please contact 15-year-old travel agency Maruti Travels.
ये लोग मोबाइल पे है और बाकी मैं हेड बोर्ड की परमिशन से सबको एक बार अपना मोबाइल खोलने की इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। So you all can check in the ABC group. Renowned landowners group, land development group, Manafuri group. We got the opportunity to do the t-shirts for them, and this is the testimony that we have received and posted in the group.
कौन से ग्रुप में डाले हो?
মানব সহযোগী কাজ লোকের কারিগর লোকের ফেরিওয়ালা আপনার ব্যবসায়িক প্রতিষ্ঠানে লোকের পরামর্শদাতা। বাবু মশাই, ও বাবু মশাই, বাংলার 12 মাসে 13 পার্বণ চলতেই থাকে। মা দুর্গা আসবে, মা দুর্গা যাবে, ব্যবসা চলবে। আর বাংলার মাটিতে যারা জন্মেছেন, বাংলার আলোবাসে যারা বলছেন, তারা সবাই বাঙালি। বাঙালি কোনো আলাদা জাত ধর্ম নয়। তাই সব বাঙালিকে বলি শুভ বিজয়, প্রীতি, শুভেচ্ছা।
If you know what is the standard size of an advertisement, video, audio जो आप सुनते हो, reels जो देखते हो, 20, okay? Any other answer from the room?
15 seconds.
Sir, do we get to talk about our business in ABC every day?
45.
So it's an average. That means each and every one of you is an advertiser. हर मीटिंग में आप लोग सब एडवर्टाइजर होते हो, पर याद कौन कौन रहता है? किस नाम से बुलाया था सर आज उनको? क्या है? पहले क्या याद आता है? ऋतुफलम या गिरीश सरोवर? That's what we do. We make your name unforgettable. No offense on you, sir.
Myself Kimi Sada from the house of Arya Jewels. Our showroom is located at Kapugachi Phool Bagan. We deal in next to real look jewelry made on silver with Swarovski and moissanite stones. दिवाली का त्यौहार है आया, अपने प्रियजनों को खुश करने का मौका मत गवाइए, मेरे पास लाइए और फिर मैं जादू की छड़ी चढ़ाऊंगी, सब खुश होके ही घर जाएंगे।
Good evening everyone. At Nat and Company, we specialize in navigating the complexities of government procurement through our consultancy on the ZEM portal. We empower B2B business to unlock new opportunities. We simplify access to government contracts, but also help our clients maximize their growth potential. For more details, connect to me personally.
Good evening, members. Good evening. As soon as we purchase a land or a plot for our residence, maybe a residence, bungalow, factory, school, warehouse, or any other purpose, the land starts to vibrate with its owner. Plot activation is a must for fast growth and favorable effects from all directions. So I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, can help you with the plot activation with crystals and pyramids and programming them with powerful mantras for fast growth and favorable effects from all directions.
This side, I represent my brand Desi Desi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. So Diwali is approaching, just the Durga Puja got over, and now as Diwali is approaching, I would request everyone, if you have got any connect to the corporates who do request fees in the bulk orders for the gifting purpose, or their distribution as well, please get connected to me. Thank you so much.
Bedmore Mundra from Sagun Corporate Consultant Private Limited. We are into debt syndication, catering to all type of person, individuals, MSMEs and large corporates. And presently we are empaneled with around 54 financial institutions, including banks, NBFC and private equity players. Recently we are doing collateral free loans. अब अभी वही बिक रहा है. Collateral free loan up to 10 crores for startups and for MSMEs with a turnover of not more than 50 crore, 5 crores. Home loan also we are doing from all financial institutions across India. In my activity, not so much of activity this week, but there were some thank you slip for business given to Poonam Chandak of 17 lakhs. After 19, it was 17, so 36 lakhs in last 1 month. And Vikram Agarwal, 14,500.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sakhi. Happy birthday to you.